It started with filmmaking because I enjoyed doing all of those things. And film was a way to put everything together. You could make music, you could have dance numbers, you could have fight scenes, you could do all these different things you enjoy doing. You could talk about humor, you could have serious. So it's just film in itself and presenting things via film format was something that I fell in love with early.
Let's get right to today's video. We'll be discussing an AI tool that will no doubt change and save you time while you create your YouTube videos. Let's go ahead and get into Descript. Now, I've already downloaded it from the site. What I'm doing right now is pulling up a video that I'm going to upload into Descript. As you can see, it is uploading into Descript. Now it'll show the script in one full scene. Give it some time and we'll see the words written out. Let's hit play once again and start our edits. I'm going to mute and lower the audio here.
It started with filmmaking because film was a way to put everything together. You could make music.
Now let's say I wanted to start at a different section of the video. I'm going to highlight this section here, left click, or I could actually just hit the backspace and get it to the point of the video that I wanted to start. So I wanted to start at it started with filmmaking.
It started with filmmaking because I enjoyed doing all of those things.
So let's go ahead and play that.
Film was a way to put everything together. You could make music, you could have dance numbers, you could have fight scenes, you could do all these different things you enjoy doing. You could talk about food.
As you can see, the video immediately starts where I made the edits. Here's where Descript shines though. I want to add new scenes, and these scenes I want to have B-rolls. So here we'll just hit slash before, let's say, filmmaking, and then I want to hit a slash before music, and then food, and then I want one at humor. Now we'll go ahead and click on the little icon, camera icon, and type in film, and it starts looking for some B-roll shots of filmmaking, and it starts to load on the right. You can see loading media. Once I'm done with that, I want to see some B-rolls and look for B-rolls of music. Once I do that, all you need to do is click on the video that you want to use. In this section below, it gives you a variety of choices. I'll go ahead and select the one I need and want, and then I move on to the next one, and it starts to, on the left, create scenes. I want just a few more. I want to use, this case, I'll do food, type in the word, and pull up B-roll that you want to use. And lastly,
it started with filmmaking because I enjoyed doing all of those things.
And as you can see,
and film was a way to put everything together.
Start to be inserted in your scenes.
It started with filmmaking because I enjoyed doing all of those things, and film was a way to put everything together. You could make music, you could have dance numbers, you could have fight scenes, you could do all these different things you enjoy doing. You could talk about humor, you could have serious. So it's just film in itself and presenting things via film format was something that I fell in love with early.
And finally, what I want to remove here is a really neat feature, and that is the edit and remove filler words. In this case, I want to remove and apply to all, and that will remove the unwanted words from your video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.